So, what are your guys' names?
I'm Max Souza.
I'm Jerica Santos.
What are we doing today?
We are designing a cake based on an animal cell.
Alright. Jerica, what are we starting off with?
So first, we're going to start off with the cell membrane. It's a thin barrier around the cell that keeps everything inside. Okay?
Okay.
Then next, this green over here, it's the nucleus. The nucleus is the center of the cell and it's the most important part because it forms the growth of the cell.
Okay.
Then we have the nucleolus, which is a small structure inside the cell that's there during interphase. And then we have the the nuclear envelope, which surrounds the nucleus within the cell.
So this here is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and what it is it's the lipid components of a cell membrane that is put together along with proteins and other materials exported from the cell.
Okay, where does it go?
Right here.
What is it going behind?
The nucleus.
Okay.
Now this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it's basically the same thing as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Instead, it's in front of the nucleus, which is right. Alright, so this is the centrioles, and what it is basically it's near the nucleus, and what it does is it keeps all cell divisions organized. This is called ribosome, but this is attached, and what it is small particles of RNA and protein found in cytoplasm, and it goes right here.
All the way around what? It surrounds the endoplasmic?
Yes.
The rough one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're going to go inside the classroom and face the guy here.
What'd you get?
So this is the ribosome free, and it's basically the ribosome attached, but instead it's behind the nucleus. And what it does is it has small particles of RNA and protein. So this means it helps grow the cell. So this is the Golgi apparatus. It it packages protein and materials from endoplasmic reticulum, and it stores for the cell. And it goes right here.
Lit.
So this is a mitochondrion, and it is an organelle that takes chemical energy stored in food and converts it into compounds that are useful for the cell, and that goes right here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh my gosh. My gosh.
Gonna walk with me?
Okay. Dang it. Okay, next are the stop. Next is the mitochondria. I can't stop it. Okay, next is the Golgi apparatus.
Hey.